Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the properties of a rhombus, specifically focusing on its diagonals and how they intersect. First, let's quickly recall what a rhombus is. A rhombus is a quadrilateral where all four sides are equal in length. It looks like a slanted square or a diamond. A diagonal is a line connecting opposite corners. Every rhombus has two diagonals. One connects the top and bottom corners, and the other connects the left and right corners. When these two diagonals meet in the middle, they do something interesting. They bisect each other. This means they cut each other exactly into two equal halves. But the most special property of a rhombus is the angle at which these diagonals meet. They intersect at exactly 90 degrees. In geometry terms, we say the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. If you look at the center where the lines cross, all four angles formed are right angles. No matter how stretched or squashed the rhombus is, this intersection will always be 90 degrees. Why does this happen? It is because the four triangles created inside the rhombus are all identical or congruent. The equal sides of the rhombus force the diagonals to meet squarely in the center. Another useful property is that the diagonals act as angle bisectors. They split the corner angles of the rhombus perfectly in half. So, to summarize, the diagonals of a rhombus usually have different lengths, but they always bisect each other, they always meet at 90 degrees, and they bisect the vertex angles. Thank you for watching this lesson on the properties of a rhombus. I hope this helps you understand geometry a little better. Don't forget to practice.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.